today is the day I unwrap my new machine. As you can see the size of it, it's very big. Let's go. Do not drop, it says on there, so let's hope that nobody hasn't. Got fragile written all across it. I've ordered it from a shop in Nottingham, so if it's come from the shop it hasn't had too far to come. But they're made in China. I assume it's come from China to the shop and it's been in the shop in this box. So I'm just going to see what you can see. Well, that's it, that's the outside packaging off. As you can see, it's a Nikki. I would pronounce that Necchi, but apparently it's pronounced Nikki, and it was originally a Italian make. Oh, that looks like a bag. That looks like a bag. That is the instruction book. Just there, look. Oh, knee lift. So that's going to be, I've never used one of these before, so that's a knee lift. That'll be interesting. Need to get used to that. Right, I think I'm going to have to take this out of here and then we'll come back. Well, I've had to tip it upside down to get it out, so let's put it back the way it was in the box, the right side up. That's that way. So very exciting. It's happened. Today is National Sewing Machine Day, so it's worked out absolutely perfect. I've got my new machine on National Sewing Machine Day. Might be a bit easier. Here we go, big reveal. Make sure that you're on, and you can see. Oh, I don't know which way around it's supposed to be yet. Whoa, that's all right. That's one there. I've got a lead and I've got a foot pedal. Oh, I've got it the wrong way around. You ready? Now this is the back end of it. Ta-da! Let's turn it round. Oh, it's heavy. Oh my God. There you go. And I'll give you One guess as to why I bought this machine. God, it's heavy down this end. Because of that. That's 12 inches from there to there. The other reason is that is the table. So we've got to unbox the table, yep. But there you go. It used to be Italian made and they stopped making it. And then Janome bought the brand, and it's pronounced Nikki, not Nechi, and they're made in China and another Asian country, but then most of them are. It's called an Artisan 500S, and this is the reason. There's two reasons: that there and the table. That's why I bought this machine, and they're sold. And at the moment they've got £100 off in a shop in Nottingham. So let's get all the attachments together. Let's open the table, set it up, and we'll have the final look. Well, it's come flat packed, and that's it out of the. So now I've got to take off all the paper that's on there and put these on, just like the instruction, and we'll come back. So you've got the acrylic legs, and then you just screw one of those on into there, and then there's 6 of those. This obviously acts as your height regulator, up and down if you've got an uneven surface. And then obviously then that goes into your tables. This is upside down, and then you've got the screws to screw it on. So we'll do all this first, put these into the legs. Either way it's the same, so you can't go wrong on that. Tighten them all up a little bit, and then we'll come back. Well, there you go, acrylic table on, all the legs. It's nice and flush. It is underneath, just got to tighten them up a little bit. And you can use a Phillips screwdriver on the top. I've took the pieces of paper off. Right, and that is a substantial table before you even put your acrylic table on. So that's pretty good. I assume with the weight of this, then I must have something inside. I haven't looked at any instructions or anything yet, so I need to read the book now before I go any further, because I think I've got something inside there. Well, what do you think then? So, and then first time I sew anything, we'll have a go together once I've read the book. Just zoom in so you can get. There you go. I like the colour, the red and white, that's good. Go, and it's, look at the size of that throat there, 12 inches. On a big table, whoops, and it gives me lots of room. You know, that'd look great, wouldn't it, if you sunk that into a tabletop? That'd look brilliant. It's very heavy. Oops, hang on, there's some here. What's all this then? Oh, there's a lid there. So I assume I have a look in. I've got to read the book. I'm not going to keep opening things. So there you go then. I was just trying to open that there then. So I've got to set it up, and my new sewing machine. No, it wasn't cheap, but it wasn't expensive either. It's sort of like just over 1,000 it was. That's English, which considering that size throat and this big table. I was kind of impressed. It's computerized as well. It's got embroidery stitches on there, and obviously I want it for free motion quilting as well as sewing. So I think it's about time I treated myself, because my other one, my brother embroidery sewing machine, I bought about 10 years ago, and that was 800 then, but they've stopped making them now. But it still works, it's still absolutely fine. So thank you for joining me, and can't wait to get sewing on it, and then join me on my first, once I've sort of like I read the book and I've set it up, and then we'll do some instructions together on it. Thank you. Bye.